Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have already discussed about that things with you. What is exactly that routing? So now in this video, we'll install it. So as I told you, there have the two type of router you can install. One is the React router DOM, that's for web application. And if you want to working with the mobile application for the Android and the iOS, then you have to install the another route as a React native. So right now we are working with the web application. So for the reasons here we have to install the DOM. So if you go to the Google, so here that is one of the third-party package we have to install. So and also here if you search with the React, okay, React router DOM install, and you can see there is actually a fast link. So there is actually a fast link. So I just simply open it. There is another one. You can check it like right now. Like that is the installation, all the process. So here with this you can actually install it. And also there is another one. So there is a React router DOM. So now if you open it, now here you can see, as I told you, they have the two type. One is the web based, and that is actually all that web based structure. So here we have to actually flow it. So if you're working with the web based, and there is also another one for the native. So if you also want to work with the mobile application, for you can see that is actually iOS and the Android. So for the reasons here, then we have to install this router, that means our React router native. So right now it's okay with me. So right now I want to work with the web. So that is actually our web, right? So now first of all I want to install it. So they have all that instruction here. You can see first of all you have to create some of the app, that means application, and then after that you have to install it. So right now I want to actually install it. So I just simply copy it, and now our server is now running. So better I want to actually add another one. So that is our project directory, that is our project for our React. So now here I open our CMD, and in particular that position I want to paste it. That is our npm install React router DOM. So as I told you, when you're working with the web-based application, then you have to install that DOM, right? So now I just click as a enter. So now it will be downloaded all that file, and it will be installed that DOM in your system. That means the router DOM. So it may take little time. Better when it will be done, then I will come back again. So friend, here you can see our router DOM is now successfully installed. Okay, when it will be installed, it will be redirected to our project directory. So now it's perfect. So we successfully install it. So now I want to create some of the component. Like here, that is our component folder. So previously I have created some of the component as a check, hello, and the hook. So right now I don't need this. Better, that is our project directory, go to our src, that is our components. So right now we don't need this, so we'll create our another project. So now I just simply delete everything from here. Okay, so now I just simply delete everything, and now here that means our component is now totally empty. So here in our components area I want to create some of the component. So I want to create some of the component for our about.js. So friend, here you can use that JS rather than you can use the another extension as a JSX. Okay, so right now I want to actually use that JXX. So you can see that is actually also getting our React logo. So better I want to use it as a JSX. Okay, you can also use that JX, so it's totally fine, but right now I want to use it. I just create another component and I just name it as a blog. Okay, blog.jsx. And also if you go to our project, so also I want to create another one for the contact and the profile. So here I want to create another new one as a contact.jsx, and then another one for the profile. Okay, profile.jsx. Perfect. So here I have created 4 of this component. One is the about us, that means the about, blog, contact, and the profile. And also here we already installed our DOM, right? So here already we installed that our router DOMs, that means the React router DOMs. So if you want to check it, that means this DOM is perfectly installed it or not. If you go to that your project, that means here there is a package JSON, and into the package JSON here you can see it's now perfectly installed. For the reasons automatically it's added in our package JSON area. That is our React DOM, that is our React DOM, that is our React Bootstrap, we have already installed it. So that is our Bootstrap, and that is our React router DOM is also installed, and also it's showing that versions. Right now we are using that React DOM version 16.13.1 and also React router DOM as a 5.2.0. So that means our React DOM is now successfully installed. So whatever the package you will install, automatically everything will be noted in our package JSON area. Okay, that means here. So right now it's perfect. So here we created some of the components, and now we have to do, actually we have to flow that instruction. Like here, as I told you, there's a lot of the instructions. So everything would be very much clear to you, friend. Don't worry. That is our router, why you should use it. And for the providing that link, you have to put that link with the link to. That means that you don't need to use that href. That is actually the another alternative in React JS. That is a link to. So we have to also update that all that our link, that means in our neighbor link, and here we have put that link, and when you click as a about us page, it should be detected our about us page, and it should be loaded our about us page component without loading that page. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.